UPI, or Unified Payments Interface, is a real-time payment system developed by NPCI, National Payments Corporation of India. It was launched in 2016 and aims to simplify and unify various digital payment methods into a single platform. Let's now learn the key details about UPI and how this is simplifying the payments process and getting everyone to shift to a cashless mode. What's the purpose of UPI? UPI allows users to link multiple bank accounts to a single mobile application and facilitates seamless and instant transfers between accounts. It works on mobile devices and is supported by a variety of banking apps and third-party apps. What are the main features of UPI? The main features and advantages of UPI are: transactions in UPI are real-time and transfers are processed instantly on all days, including weekends and holidays. This is the fastest way to make your payments. Another advantage of UPI is that it is a single mobile application and enables users to manage multiple bank accounts through just one app. UPI is also designed to work across different banks and financial institutions and saves the hassle of managing payments through multiple channels. A big feature of UPI is the ease of use. Transactions are simplified through features like peer-to-peer payments, bill payments and merchant transactions. Security: UPI uses multi-factor authentication including a PIN for secure transactions. Users can request money from others and pay bills directly through the app. Users can send money using just a virtual payment address instead of bank account details. This makes UPI a more secure way of making payments. What are the key components of UPI? UPI uses a virtual payment address, VPA, a unique ID like an email address or phone number that serves as a user's payment address. A 4 to 6-digit code, UPI PIN, is used to authenticate transactions. Bank accounts are linked to the UPI app for transactions. Is there any transaction limit? Yes. There is a limit for every transaction. Usually, the limit is set at 1 lakh rupees per transaction, but this can vary based on the bank and type of transaction. There can also be daily limit. Some banks may impose daily limits on the value of funds transfer, in addition to the transaction limit. What are the types of transactions that can be done through UPI? UPI facilitates a peer-to-peer payment option, that is, it enables transfer of money from one person to another person. Merchant payment, that is, payment to a merchant while buying goods and services is another option. Payment of utility bills, recharge mobile phones etc. can be done through UPI. And one can also send payment requests to others and request for money to be sent. What are the security measures to make UPI safe? There is a two-factor authentication which requires a PIN for each transaction. The second security measure is encryption. All transactions are encrypted to ensure data security. Banks and UPI platforms have fraud detection mechanisms to safeguard users. This is an additional security measure. So, what are the key benefits of using UPI? Convenience is the first big benefit of UPI. It's easy to use and manage multiple accounts through just one platform. Speed is the second big benefit of using UPI. Instant transfers enhance efficiency in transactions. The third big advantage of UPI is cost efficiency. There is almost no transaction fees for users. Since UPI is designed to be accessible to people across various demographics and regions, it provides a wide reach. Who are the participating institutions? Almost all major banks in India support UPI. Some non-banking financial companies also offer UPI services. And apps like Google Pay, PhonePe, Paytm, and others support UPI transactions. Who regulates and oversees this process? The regulator for UPI is the National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, which operates under the guidance of the Reserve Bank of India, RBI. UPI must comply with regulations set by the RBI and NPCI. What are the recent developments to grow UPI? International expansion. UPI is expanding opportunities for cross-border transactions and expansion to other countries. Already UPI can be used in countries such as Singapore, UAE, France, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, etc. and more countries are expected to join in soon. UPI is increasingly being integrated with government services, e-commerce platforms, and more. With all these features and benefits, UPI has really revolutionized the way digital transactions are conducted in India, offering a highly user-friendly and efficient payment solution. Its success has inspired similar initiatives in other countries, aiming to create seamless payment experience globally. With UPI offering convenience, speed, security, efficiency and cost savings, almost everyone and certainly Gen Z uses it almost as the only payment process. It has enabled making one's payments just through the mobile phone without worrying about carrying a wallet filled with cash. UPI transactions have increased from less than 3 million in 2016 to 84 billion in 2023. In 2024, the transaction volume has been touching over 10 billion per month. And all this transformation in just about 8 years. So, is cash being replaced by UPI? It appears that cash is on the way out and the tech-savvy Gen Z is clearly shifting to the digital mode. We hope that this video was useful to you. Please subscribe to our channel for more such information.